Today we are going to learn how to do square of digits near to 100, 1000 and so on. This process that we are going to learn is both interesting and time saving. We will take the example of 99. We know 99 is near to 100 and lesser to 100. Our first step will be 100 minus 99, that is equal to 1. We will take 100 as the base and hence answer is 1. So the second step will be 99 minus 1. This step will be done in two different halves and the other half will be 1 square. Since our difference of 100 and 99 was 1, hence we have done 1 square. So we know 99 minus 1 is 98 and 1 square is 1. Since we have taken 2 zeros, hence our digit will also be of 2 digit number. Hence we have taken 0 and 1. 1 is the unit place and 0 will be the 10th place. Hence our answer will be 9801. Now we are going to check whether our answer was correct or not. So 99 into 99, that's equal to 9801 and our answer was 9801. Hence our answer is correct. Let us take another example, 96. So our first step will be 100 minus 96, that's equal to 4. As I said before, this square will be done in two different parts. Our first part will be 96 minus 4, since our difference was 4, and 4 square. We know 96 minus 4 is 92 and 4 square is 16. We had taken 2 zeros, hence it is of 2 units, so we don't have to add any other zeros. So our answer will be 9216. So let us calculate whether our answer was correct or not. 96 into 96, that is equal to 9216. Hence our answer was correct. Now we will do digits near to 1000 and lesser to 1000. So our first example will be 997 square. We know our first step was the difference, hence we will take 1000 as the base and which is equal to 3. We know that our second step was of two different parts. So our first part is 997 minus 3 and 3 square. We know 997 minus 3 is 994 and 3 square is 9. Since we took 3 zeros, hence it is 3 digit number. 9 will be the unit place, 0 will be the 10th place and again the 0 will be of 100 place. Hence our answer will be 994009. So we will calculate whether our answer was correct or not. So it is 997 into 997, that is equal to 994009. And our answer also came as 994009. Hence our answer is correct. Till yet we had learned digits less than 1000 and less than 100. Now we will take the digit greater than 1000, 1004 square. So our first step will be 1004 minus 1000, that is equal to 4. we have since we know that 1004 is greater than 1000, hence we have subtracted 1000 from 1004.
Second step.
Our second step, we know it will be of two different halves. This time we will add 4, since 4 is the excess, that's why, and 4 square. So it is 1008, and we know it is 16. Since we had taken 3 digits, hence it will be 0. 6 will be the unit place, 1 will be of 10th place, and 0 will be of 100th place. Hence our answer will be 1008016. We will see whether the answer is correct or not. 1004 into 1004, that is equal to 1008016, and our answer also came 1008016. Hence our answer is correct. This method is applicable for digits near to 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. I hope this method will be helpful for you, and thank you.